Okay, we're working with the same signal level. Basically, the original signal level was about 1 S unit. Right now, we got a little bit under 3 S units, but there's a catch here. What we did here is put a variable control in here to control the voltage to that. And right now, it's only being driven with 1.1 volts. Now, what I'm going to do is adjust this. And right there's about 5 S units, and we're driving it with 1.8 volts. Let's see if we can't turn it up a little bit more. There's about 7 S units. We're driving it with 3.4 volts. And this is all the way up. Right now we're driving it with 8.3 volts. And as you can see, it looks like it's a little bit more than roughly 8 S units. So that thing has some super ears there.